Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Podcast. I'm Jay.
And I'm Mia. So happy you're here today.
How's it going, Mia?
Well, I got lost on the subway yesterday.
Wait, you? I thought that was my job.
I know. I finally understand your pain.
Welcome to the club. We meet on the wrong train, apparently.
Stop. It was so embarrassing.
Well, today's topic is public transportation, so this is perfect.
Of course it is. The universe is mocking me.
Quick thing first, everyone.
Yes! If you like the show, hit that like button.
And subscribe. New episodes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
And share this with a friend who's new to a big city.
All right, let's get you home safely, Mia. So, buses, subways, trains. Honestly intimidating at first.
So intimidating. The signs, the maps, the announcements.
And everyone else moves so fast, like they were born knowing it.
Yes, everyone's confident except me.
They were lost once too. They just don't look like it anymore.
That's oddly comforting.
Let's go from buying a ticket to getting off at the right stop.
Please. Especially that last part. Okay, step 1. I need a ticket. What do I say?
Simple. 1 ticket to Central Station, please.
1 ticket, too. That's the pattern.
Right, then just add wherever you're going.
Give me another one.
1 ticket to the airport, please. Same structure.
Easy. What if I'm riding all week, though?
Then you ask, is there a day pass?
A day pass. Unlimited rides for 1 day?
Exactly. And many cities have weekly passes too.
Is that actually cheaper?
Usually a lot cheaper if you ride more than twice a day.
I always buy single tickets. Every single time.
So you've been paying extra for months.
Apparently, nobody told me.
That's why we do this show.
Okay, so is there a day pass or a weekly pass?
Ask at the ticket window. It takes 5 seconds and saves real money. Okay, ticket in hand. Now you need the right platform.
This is exactly where I failed yesterday.
Let's fix that. You ask, which platform for the downtown train?
Which platform for? Short and clear.
Right, and staff hear this 100 times a day. They won't mind.
What if I'm not even sure I'm on the right line?
Then you confirm before boarding. Does this train go to Main Street?
Does this train go to? Oh, that's the one I needed.
That's the one. Ask before you step on, not after.
Give me one more example.
Sure. Excuse me, does this bus go to the university?
Works for buses, too. Nice.
Same phrase, any vehicle.
So what happened to you? You must have stories.
Oh, plenty. I once rode 40 minutes in the wrong direction.
40 minutes.
I was so confident. I did not check once.
And you're the one giving me advice.
I give advice because I made every mistake first.
Okay, I'm on the bus. Anything I should know?
On some buses, you have to request your stop.
Request it? It doesn't just stop?
Not always. Smaller stops, the driver passes if nobody asks.
That is terrifying. How do I ask?
You say, could you let me know at Main Street?
Could you let me know at? That's polite.
Drivers are usually really nice about it.
Another example, please.
Could you let me know when we get to the museum?
Oh, that version works when I don't know the stop name.
Exactly. Landmarks work fine.
What about the subway?
Just listen for the announcements. They say the next stop clearly.
I never listen. I'm always on my phone.
And then your phone dies.
And then my phone dies. That is literally what happened yesterday.
There it is. The full story finally comes out.
My phone died. I couldn't check the map, and I panicked.
So, listen for announcement. Free, and your phone can't kill it. Quick break, everyone.
If you're enjoying this, a like really helps our channel grow.
It means a lot. Thank you.
And tell us in the comments, bus, subway, or train? Which do you prefer?
Okay, back to it. Okay, next word. Transfer.
Transfer. Switching from one line to another?
Exactly. And you ask, do I need to transfer to get there?
Do I need to transfer? Good to know before I start.
Right, it changes your whole route and your travel time.
Give me an example.
I'm going to the stadium. Do I need to transfer?
Simple. And the answer tells me everything.
There's a second question too. Is this transfer free?
Free? It's not always.
Depends on the city. Some include it, some charge again.
So I could accidentally pay twice.
Easily. That's why you ask.
Is this transfer free? Okay, that one's going on my list.
In a lot of cities, you get a window, like 90 minutes.
So I can transfer as much as I want in that time?
Within the window, yes. After that, new fare.
That's actually really useful for a day of errands.
It is. Plan your stops inside the window and you save a lot.
Okay, let's talk about rush hour. The worst.
The absolute worst. Everyone commuting at once.
Packed. No room to move. No room to breathe.
And if you're carrying anything, forget it.
Yesterday, I had a bag and a coffee. Terrible decision.
The coffee did not survive, did it?
It did not. Rest in peace.
So here's a useful question. Is it less crowded if I leave later?
Is it less crowded if? Oh, that's smart planning.
Sometimes waiting 20 minutes changes everything.
Another way to say it?
What time does it usually get less busy?
I like that one. It sounds more natural to me.
Both work. Ask a coworker or a local. They'll know.
Locals always know the secret timing.
Always. They've optimized their commute for years. Okay, worst case. You miss your stop.
My specialty, apparently.
First rule. Don't panic. It's very fixable.
It didn't feel fixable yesterday.
I know. But you just ask, how do I get back to Main Street?
How do I get back to? Simple recovery phrase.
Usually you get off and take the same line the other direction.
That's it?
That's it. 5 extra minutes. Not a disaster.
I spent 20 minutes not asking anyone.
Because you were embarrassed?
Completely. I thought I'd look stupid.
Nobody thinks that. Everyone has done it.
You said 40 minutes in the wrong direction.
Exactly my point. Ask early, save yourself the walk.
How do I get back to memorizing it right now?
Last thing. A little etiquette goes a long way.
Like giving up your seat?
Yes, for older passengers or anyone who needs it more.
That's universal, I think.
Pretty much everywhere. Also, keep your voice down on calls.
Oh, that one. I've heard entire life stories on the bus.
We all have. Some very personal ones.
Way too personal.
And one more. Let people off before you get on.
Let people off first. People forget that constantly.
Every day. And it makes everything slower for everyone.
So it's not just polite, it's actually faster.
Exactly. Good etiquette is efficient.
I like that framing. Okay, what if transit just isn't an option? Like, really late.
Then a taxi or a rideshare app.
And I should check the price first, right?
Definitely. You ask, how much would it cost to Main Street?
How much would it cost to? Good before committing.
Prices jump a lot at busy times or late at night.
I've been shocked by that before. 3 times the normal price.
It happens to everyone once.
Once is enough, honestly.
Expensive lesson, so always check first.
How much would it cost to? Got it.
All right, role play. I'm a station worker, you're a bit lost.
Perfect casting. Excuse me, does this train go to Main Street?
No, this one goes downtown. You'll need to transfer.
Oh no. Do I need to transfer? And is this transfer free?
Yes, it's free with your ticket. Just go one platform over.
Which platform for the Main Street line?
Platform 4, right behind you.
Thank you so much. One more thing. Is it less crowded if I wait?
A little, yes. Rush hour ends in about 20 minutes.
That's helpful. Thanks again.
Safe travels. And scene.
That was so much smoother than my real life.
Because you asked instead of guessing.
Life lesson, honestly. Okay, let's run through everything.
Good call. Tickets. 1 ticket to, and is there a day pass?
Finding your way. Which platform for and does this train go to?
On board. Could you let me know at, and listen for announcements.
Transfers. Do I need to transfer? And is this transfer free?
Timing. Is it less crowded if I leave later?
And the emergency one. How do I get back to?
Etiquette. Give up your seat and let people off first.
Backup. How much would it cost to?
That's a full survival kit for any city.
I genuinely needed all of these yesterday.
So, Mia, ready to try the subway again?
Ready. And this time I'm charging my phone first.
Revolutionary strategy.
Okay, everyone. Question for you.
Yes. Tell us in the comments. Have you ever gotten lost on public transport?
Please say yes so I feel better.
We want the story. And try our phrases this week.
Does this train go to? That one alone will save you.
If this helped, give it a like and subscribe.
And send it to a friend who just moved somewhere new.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Safe travels out there.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.